Hello my dear student, welcome back in your maths online class. Students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy at your home. So children, as you can see, this is your maths workbook, or you can say maths writing book. Maths book name is Enjoying Maths. Okay, so today we will study by this book. So take out your maths book and open page number 12. See, here page number is given, so open page number 12. In our previous class we have studied up to page number 11. So today we will do our work on page number 12. Okay, so here children, on this page see, here cross the object which is not same. Okay, means हमें उस ऑब्जेक्ट को क्रॉस करना है जो सेम नहीं है. बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग अवर वर्क, फर्स्ट राइट हियर CW and write date also. Now 26-3-2021. Now let's start our work. So क्या मैम ने बताया था अभी कि आपको उस ऑब्जेक्ट को क्रॉस करना है जो सेम नहीं है, मीन्स डिफरेंट है. See here apple, this one also apple, this and this. So these four are apples, but this is the different picture. So what we will do? We will cross it. Okay. Now here you can see this teddy bear, here also, this one also. Now this telephone is the different picture. So what we will do? We will put a cross on this picture. Here hats, these hats are same, but this hat is different from these hats. So what we will do? We will put a cross on this hat. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4. These four pictures are same and this butterfly is different. So what we will do? We will put a cross here. So in this way we will complete this. Now here tick the two objects that are same. Means two object को टिक करना है जो सेम है. Okay, so here you can see this leaf and this leaf. These two leaves are same. So what we will do? We will put a tick on this. Okay. Next, this one is different. This and this. These are same. This is different. This one also and this one also different. So which pictures are same? So on that we will put a tick. Next one, this picture and this picture are same. So again we will put a tick on the same pictures. Then here see, this and this are same. So these pictures are same. So we will put a tick. Okay. So in this way you will complete this page. Now come to the next page. See children, here fun with mental maths. Here is a fun activity is given for you. So let's do it. In this activity, what we will do? Look at the two pictures and find 8 differences between them. इन पिक्चर्स को हमें देखना है और इनमें हमें क्या करना है? 8 डिफरेंसेस फाइंड आउट करने हैं इन दोनों पिक्चर्स में. ओके, सो सी स्टूडेंट, let's see carefully this picture, then after see children, start from here. Here words are given, here also, but you can see 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, but here only 2 are here, so one difference is this. So write one number like this. Now here same. Now here sun is given and here sun is not here, so sun is the second difference. Okay, now this picture, here also, this boat also, this man also, but this dog is not here, you can see. So third difference is this. So write 3 number like this. Now come here. See children, this is the boat and above of the boat here is a bird, but here is not a bird, so this one is fourth difference. Okay, so write 4 number like this. And this picture is also not here, so this is fifth one difference. Now here you can see one boy is swimming here, but here is not any boy, so this is the sixth one difference. Okay, now see children, here boat is here, but here is no any boat, so this is the seventh difference. And here you can see coconuts are here, but here is not any coconut, so this one is the eighth difference. So in this way you will complete this page number 13. Now come to the next page number 14. Okay, this page, simply what you will do, मैच द पिक्चर्स विद द सीज़न. मीन्स पिक्चर्स जो दी हुई है, इन पिक्चर्स को आपको सीज़न के साथ मैच करना है. मीन्स कौन सी एक्टिविटी हमारी समर सीज़न में होती है. ओके, मीन्स जैसे हम क्या पहनते हैं, क्या खाते हैं, क्या पीते हैं, ये जो भी हम एक्टिविटी समर में करते हैं, विंटर में करते हैं, मानसून में करते हैं, तो हमें पिक्चर को देख करके मैच करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. हियर दिस फर्स्ट पिक्चर, आई होप यू कैन टेल कि किस सीज़न से हमें इसको मैच करना है. एज यू कैन सी द पिक्चर. येस, वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन. इसको हमें किससे मैच करना है? समर सीजन से. देन नेक्स्ट वन you can see here, yes, woolen clothes are here, so we will match with winter. Then next one, he is drinking juice or cold drink, we can say also, so this one also we will match with summer season. Here wearing like rainy clothes, so we will match with monsoon. This picture also match with summer season, and this picture match with winter season, and this picture match with monsoon. Okay, so in this way you will complete this page. Now it's time for your homework. So open page number 36. So this page you have to do in your homework. You will write 2 in the given space, and here ये टेडी बियर है, आपको इसको कंप्लीट करना है अपने पेरेंट्स की हेल्प से. एंड हियर सम पिक्चर्स आर गिवन, सो आपको सेम पिक्चर को सेम ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ मैच करना है. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. दिस ऑल्सो यू विल डू इन योर होमवर्क. ओके, here you will write 3, and here color 3 apples, and here you have to color these traffic lights. Okay children, So do your homework. So children, these 2 pages you have to do in your homework. Okay children. Now thank you children. Have a nice day.